Welcome back to. Today we're exploring 10 places that look as if nature started creating them, and then simply forgot to finish the job. From landscapes that resemble computer glitches to mountains that look like they belong in a fantasy movie, these are 10 real places on Earth that seem unfinished, impossible, or completely out of place. Stay until the end, because the number one location looks less like part of our planet and more like something from an alien simulation. Number 10. Spotted Lake, Canada. At first glance, Spotted Lake looks like a giant painter's palette abandoned in the middle of nature. Located in British Columbia, this unusual lake transforms every summer as water evaporates and leaves behind hundreds of circular pools filled with minerals. Each circle can have a different color depending on the concentration of magnesium, calcium, sodium, and other minerals. The result is a landscape covered in strange spots that appear almost artificial. Indigenous peoples have considered the lake sacred for centuries, and many visitors describe it as one of the strangest sights in North America. Looking at it from above feels like staring at a map texture that never finished loading properly. Number 9. The Wave, United States. Hidden within the Arizona desert lies a rock formation so surreal that many people believe photographs of it have been digitally altered. The wave is made of sandstone sculpted by wind and water over millions of years. Its flowing curves and colorful layers resemble frozen ocean waves captured in stone. Walking through the formation feels like stepping inside a computer-generated landscape rather than a natural environment. Because of its fragile nature, only a limited number of visitors are allowed to enter each day. The smooth patterns are so perfect that they almost look like the work of an artist experimenting with geological design. Number 8. Chocolate Hills, Philippines. Spread across the island of Bohol are more than 1,000 perfectly shaped hills. During the dry season, the grass covering them turns brown, giving them the appearance of giant chocolate drops scattered across the landscape. Scientists explain their formation through erosion and ancient limestone deposits, but even with a scientific explanation, their appearance remains difficult to believe. The hills are remarkably uniform in shape and size, creating a scene that looks more like a carefully designed model than a natural landscape. It's easy to imagine a giant architect placing them one by one across the island. Number 7. Turkey. Translates to Cotton Castle, and one look explains why. Bright white terraces cascade down the hillside, filled with turquoise pools of warm, mineral-rich water. The formations were created by calcium deposits left behind by hot springs over thousands of years. The contrast between the white stone and the vivid blue water creates an almost dreamlike appearance. From a distance, it resembles a frozen waterfall or a giant staircase carved from clouds. Many visitors describe the location as looking unfinished, as if nature was still deciding what shape it wanted the landscape to become. Number 6. Dead Vlei, Namibia. In the middle of one of the world's oldest deserts, stands a collection of ancient dead trees frozen in time. The dark trunks rise from a bright white clay floor, while enormous orange sand dunes tower in the background. The trees died hundreds of years ago when changing sand dunes blocked the water supply, but the extreme dryness prevented them from decomposing. The result is a landscape with colors that seem impossible together. Black trees, white ground, orange dunes, and deep blue skies create a scene that feels more like digital artwork than reality. It looks as if several different worlds were accidentally merged into one. Number 5. Brazil. At first glance, this appears to be an ordinary desert, but after seasonal rains arrive, thousands of crystal-clear lagoons form between the dunes. The result is a vast landscape where bright blue water snakes through endless white sand. Unlike most deserts, this region receives significant rainfall every year. The temporary lakes can stretch for miles and create one of the most unusual environments on Earth. Standing among the dunes feels like witnessing two completely different ecosystems occupying the same space. It is a place that seems to break the rules of geography. Number 4. Mount Venezuela. Rising high above the surrounding rainforest, Mount looks like a giant stone fortress floating above the clouds. Its flat summit and vertical cliffs create an appearance unlike almost any other mountain on Earth. Scientists believe these formations are among the oldest geological structures on the planet, dating back nearly 2 billion years. The isolated plateau contains unique plants and animals found nowhere else. Constant mist often surrounds the summit, making it appear as though it is suspended in the sky. It is easy to understand why this mountain inspired stories of lost worlds and hidden civilizations. Number 3. Madagascar. Imagine a forest made entirely of stone blades. That's exactly what visitors encounter in. Thousands of razor-sharp limestone spikes rise from the ground, creating one of the most extreme landscapes on Earth. Some formations reach heights of more than 70 meters. Over millions of years, rainwater slowly dissolved the limestone and carved the region into this incredible maze. From above, the area resembles a field of giant stone needles. The terrain is so difficult to navigate that special bridges and climbing equipment are often required. It feels less like a natural environment and more like a location from a science fiction movie. Number 2. Structure Mauritania. Known as the Eye of the Sahara, the structure is so enormous that astronauts can easily see it from space. This massive circular formation stretches roughly 40 kilometers across the Mauritanian desert. For many years, people believed it might be the remains of an ancient impact crater. Today, scientists think it formed through geological uplift and erosion. Even with that explanation, its appearance remains astonishing. Perfect concentric rings spread outward from the center like ripples frozen in stone. Looking at satellite images, it genuinely appears as though someone drew a giant eye directly onto the surface of Earth. Number 1. Vlei Geyser, United States. If nature ever created a prototype for an alien landscape, Vlei Geyser might be the result. Located in Nevada, this colorful formation constantly sprays hot water into the air. Its brilliant red, green, yellow, and orange colors come from thermophilic algae thriving in the mineral-rich water. Interestingly, the geyser itself was accidentally created by humans during drilling operations in the 20th century. Over time, minerals built up around the opening and formed the strange structure visible today. The result looks almost impossible. Water erupts continuously from a multicolored mound that resembles a giant coral reef from another world. It is one of the few places on Earth where reality genuinely looks more unbelievable than fiction. Which of these places surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed exploring some of the strangest landscapes on Earth, don't forget to subscribe for more incredible facts, mysterious locations, and fascinating discoveries from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.